At Noodoe, we ask, isn't it time for parking lots to be part of the green movement? We believe every parking location should have electric vehicle charging stations and become a revenue generator. With the growing number of electric vehicles, drivers are starting to choose where they go based on the presence of EV charging. This trend only continues to accelerate. By making your establishment EV-friendly, Noodoe EV instantly upgrades your green energy image, which attracts the quality visitors and repeat customers you seek. Once you install Noodoe EV, there is nothing else you need to do. Customers can simply use their credit card. Every at-the-pump payment is automatically processed. The revenue is self-generating and ongoing. Noodoe registers your locations with websites, maps, directories, apps, navigation systems, and more. We put you on the map, so more visitors choose your business over others. With Noodoe EV, your business becomes the preferred stop. Your customers have a sanctuary to recharge, and you have a profitable, ongoing revenue stream.